For earlier attention, this video is an assignment for the English for Port Business course at Setiamak Baranati, Surabaya. Good evening, viewers. Thank you for your willingness to participate in the introduction for our company, PT Berkah Multicargo. First of all, allow me introduce myself. I am Rafli Briantadehan from PT Berkah Multicargo. Overview of PT Berkah Multicargo, which is one of the multimodal companies in Indonesia that has activities in the logistics sector and also support the government in logistics distribution in Indonesia. In its activity, PT Berkah Multicargo has legally issued from lead agencies. PT Berkah Multicargo has a business permit number and legally to carry out multimodal activities. PT Berkah Multicargo is also a member of several associations, including APTRINDO, Asosiasi Pengusaha Truk Indonesia, or Indonesian Truck Entrepreneurs Associations, PPMTI, TI, Perkumpulan Pengusaha Multimoda Transport Indonesia, or Indonesian Multimoda Company Association, and ASDEKI, Asosiasi Depo Kontainer Indonesia, or Indonesian Container Depot Association. PMC Logistik is a brand name from PT Berkah Multicargo as PT Pelabuhan Indonesia 3 Persero Business Entity and PT Pelindo Marine Service subsidiary that engage in logistics. PT Berkah Multicargo has a company vision to become the best logistic company in Indonesia and has a mission to providing the best logistic solution for customer, establish and developing experienced human resource in logistics, and produce sustainable profit growth to shareholder. And we have this to show you where the PT Berkah Multicargo or PMC Logistik PT BMC or PT Berkah Multicargo Logistik as a development portfolio of PT Pelabuhan Indonesia 3 Persero that engage in logistics to give comfort and easy access to customer based on multimodal permit. And PT Berkah Multicargo has a chain solution logistic, multimodal transport, container yard depot, warehouse management, project cargo handling, and multimodal freight custom clearance. PT Berkah Multicargo adapt to needs to service user by serving several requests, including door-to-door service, door-to-port service, door-to-seaway service, port-to-seaway service, seaway-to-seaway service, seaway-to-door service, door-to-port service, and etc. And we have a facility in several of regional in PT Pelabuhan Indonesia 3 Persero, such as in regional Jawa Timur or East Java region. We have 2 domestic container depot, 1 international container depot, 1 overbringing area, 4 unit stackers, 1 unit side loader, 16 units 220 feet combo, 3 unit forklift capacity 3 tons, and 1 unit capacity 7 tons. And in Kalimantan region, we have 1 domestic container depot, 7 unit bridge stacker, 35 units 40 feet trucks, and 4 unit forklift capacity 7 tons. And in region Bali Nusra, we have a domestic container depot with 20 units 20 feet truck and 3 units 40 feet truck. And this is our success project. We success to relocate a container crane relocate Harbor Mobile Crane, relocate Stacker, relocate kapal pandu. We can call and spoon pile handling, steel pipe handling, relocation rubber try gantry, and evacuate container crane in TPKS Semarang that crashed by a ship maybe in 2020. And you can find us with this in link inside website implendologistic.co.id or Instagram at bmc_logistics, and you can call me in fax or telephone. Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you for your attention. See you.